farm stuff. Look at this. I'm gonna make a fish out of that.
What was it?
I have no idea. Hi, I'm Steve Lober. I'm a plastic surgeon, but when I'm not in the operating room, I love to sculpt both stone and metal. And I think most plastic surgeons are artists at heart, and someday I'd like to be a full-time sculptor after I grow up. How was that?
That's pretty good. You can see how smooth it is.
This used to be my old studio. It's our garage. I was kicked out by my wife, but I still do a lot of my welding here on my metal sculptures. This piece was done with a UGA iron pour that one of the faculty members used to do. We busted apart the old boiler in a school and melted boiler parts and did about 30 castings. And this one, the mold blew apart from the heat. When the hot metal hit it, it still had a little moisture in it, and it created a defect here. And sometimes that makes some interesting effects with the final casting.
Absolutely, it does.
It does, because it would be smooth and it would be kind of featureless.